Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Steam download disk write error. So let's get started. So first of all I will just open it, how to fix it. Okay, so here I can see so how to fix uh, Steam download Steam disks with write error. Okay, so to fix that you can just restart the system, restart the Steam or restart the computer. Remove the protection from the drive. Turn off the read-only settings from your Steam folder. Run the Steam as administrator. Delete the corrupted files. Verify the integrity and the game file. Clear the Steam download caches and other things. So you can just do it and it will be working. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.